Howdy doody. Oh my gosh, we're just gonna jump right into this Valentine's Day tutorial. I have my little Valentine's Day cup to get into the spirit. It says, I also like you when I'm not drunk. Very cute, very appropriate. All right, I'm gonna pour myself some wine too. And I fucked the cork up with this wine. What is this? We're drinking a Winter's Collection Cabernet Sauvignon Sterling. Our award-winning Winter's Collection. I don't care, I just want to drink it. This is aged. It's from 2015. But anyway, since we have our wine, definitely going to make this maybe a Valentine's Day series because I'm about to do a dramatic ass pink eye. I asked the people of Instagram. People of Instagram told me they want to see the Valentine's Day pink eye. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on there. It's arielstinn, and so is my Snapchat if you'd like to see into my life and what the fuck I be doing on a daily basis. But thank you so much for coming back. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up before you leave and hit that subscribe button before you leave because I know you want to see more of my foolery, more of this, more of me. But anyway, let's just jump right into this super dramatic pink eye. Let me know how you feeling it. Let me know. Let's come a little closer. Let's come a little closer. Let's just. It's full bodied.